You don't need a mic. You don't need a studio. All you need is your phone. Yes, you heard me right. Today, I'm going to show you how to record pro-level voiceovers using just your mobile phone. And the results will blow your mind. So if you're a content creator, YouTuber, or just someone who wants to sound amazing, stay till the end, because I've packed this video with everything you need to sound like a professional voice artist using only your phone. Part 1, the mobile mic myth. Let's clear the biggest myth first, that you need an expensive mic. Truth, your phone's mic is way better than you think. It's all about how you use it. Always record close to your mouth, around 6 inches away. Keep your phone slightly off to the side to avoid wind and breath noise. Part 2, setting up your DIY studio. Where you record matters more than what you record on. Let's make a DIY sound booth in your house. Record in a closet or small room with clothes. Use pillows or blankets around you. Avoid big rooms, tiles, and echo. Your clothes act like sound absorbers. No echo, no reverb, just clear, dry audio ready to edit. Part 3, mobile apps you need. Now let's get to the tools. Here are the best apps for recording clean audio on mobile. Dolby On, iOS, Android. Noise reduction plus EQ Wave Editor. Voice Record Pro, iOS. Manual Control, BandLab, great for multi-track layering. All these apps are free and give you control over input levels, gain and compression, which makes a huge difference. Part 4, mic positioning and breathing. Great mic technique is more than gear. It's about how you breathe, speak and pause. Don't speak into the mic, speak past it. Keep breaths controlled, not gasping. Use a pop filter or a sock to reduce P and S sounds. Practice makes perfect. Record, listen, improve every time. Part 5, post-processing magic. Raw audio is just the beginning. Let's polish it up with these editing tools right on your phone. CapCut, Noise Reducer plus EQ, Lexis Audio Editor, Mobile Level Pro Editing Audio Lab, Trim, Fade, Normalize. A little compression, a little EQ, a tiny bit of noise reduction, and boom, you sound like a podcast pro. Part 6, boost quality with Adobe Podcast. Want to sound like you're in a podcast studio, but you're actually recording in your kitchen? This is where Adobe Podcast's enhanced speech comes in. This AI tool removes background noise, boosts vocal clarity, and makes your voice sound rich and professional, all in one click. How to use: go to podcast.adobe.com, upload your raw voice recording, click Enhance Speech, download your new studio quality file. Before Adobe Enhance,
you don't need a mic, you don't need a studio. All you need is your phone.
Echo background noise. After Adobe Enhance,
you don't need a mic, you don't need a studio. All you need is your phone.
Crisp, smooth, professional. And the best part? It's 100% free to use. No downloads needed, just a browser. So whether you're using a closet studio, an AI-powered mic enhancer, or recording straight into your mobile, you can sound like a pro with zero excuses. On-screen tools list: Dolby On, Adobe Podcast, CapCut, Audio Lab, BandLab. Smash that like button, share this with your content creator friends, and subscribe for more mobile creation hacks. Your voice deserves to be heard, and now it will be loud and clear.